Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: enough free storage and a Google account signed in. Once done, open Play Store. If Play Store fails on Android 6, download the official YouTube APK from a trusted source and enable Install Unknown Apps. Tap Install, then open the app. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so videos can play smoothly. These first actions get you to the app interface fast and avoid permission blocks that stop playback. Now learn navigation. Tap the search bar, type keywords, or use voice search for hands-free control. Once you find a video, tap its thumbnail to start playback. Make sure to check the three-dot menu during play to set quality. Pick lower resolution on slow connections to prevent buffering. Use the progress bar to scrub, double-tap edges to skip if supported, and hit download for offline viewing when the channel permits. This saves mobile data and ensures smooth playback later. To finish, subscribe to channels and enable notifications so you don't miss uploads. Manage watch history to improve recommendations. Then open settings to control autoplay, limit mobile data usage, and configure download quality. If playback stalls or the app crashes, clear the app cache first and restart the phone. If that fails, update or reinstall YouTube. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing cache often resolves buffering and startup errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.